Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. Today we are showing you this house and lot for sale located inside an exclusive subdivision here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This property is priced at 46 million pesos. It has a lot area of 546 square meters, 345 square meters of floor area. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, high ceiling, living, dining, and kitchen, staff room, garden, swimming pool, and carport for 2 SUVs. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. Makikita nyo guys, it's a bungalow in a corner lot. Ayan. Very nice location because it's a corner lot and it's just beside the clubhouse. So in case na may events kayo, pwede rin sa clubhouse, no? You have a lot of space right here if you love to garden. Very, very nice. The design of the house is modern, high ceiling, with a mixture of neutral colors, gray, white, and brown. Of course, you have a greenery dito rin, and your carport. Itong carport natin depends on your car. It can fit 2 to 4 cars dito. Really nice. And kung napansin nyo guys, wala tayong mga bakod-bakod dito because this is an exclusive subdivision. So very secured siya even without it. Okay? So you have steps right here from the street going up to your front door. These are lights, by the way. Looks very good at night. Okay? Double door in your main entrance. Then you are greeted by this fluted panel with lights as you enter the house. Very nice. To my left, this is your living area. One thing na pinakagusto ko dito are these sheer curtains na nag-soften ng light. Pero still, nakakapasok yung light natin. No? We have this sitting area right here. Your sofa will go right here. High ceiling, air conditioning are installed. It's Daikin. I've heard that it's one of the best brands for air conditioning. Then, on the side right here is your show kitchen. Ang ganda ng kitchen. Kinikilig ako sa kitchen kanina pa. You have this counter right here. Very clean, very easy to maintain. You have a space here for your stools. This right here is your microwave, your oven. Tons of storage all around. This is your induction stove, your range hood. More storage underneath. A lot of countertop. Here, may outlets tayo if you need more appliances. These are, of course, storage that's soft close. And you have this 2-door refrigerator right here. So more storage on the side with pull-outs. Really nice. Okay. Underneath this counter, marami rin tayong drawers dito and cabinet space for more storage. Now, your dining area is here underneath this amazing light fixture. Pwede ka ditong may round table or rectangular table, depends. Kasya ang 6 to 8 to 10, even 10-seater, kasya dito. You have this floor-to-ceiling sliding door that has a view of the pool from your dining area. Makikita natin yung pool natin. And on this side right here is your first toilet and bath. Diba? This can be utilized by the people using the pool or your guests. Diba? You have your sink, toilet, and your shower. And guys, ang ganda ng ledge dito for your mga shampoo. And ang ganda rin ng details sa wall natin kasi contrast siya. Design. Okay? It's also enclosed. Now going out right here, you have this room for your staff. Then this is the space naman for your washer and dryer. You have a counter right here, outlets, and As you go out right here, may gate tayo dito, papunta ng garage or ng carport natin. This door is your pump room and maganda yung view ng pool from right here. Check it out. Ang ganda ng pool, pwede kang mag-laps kasi good ang size niya, no? Now let's go back in to the house. May mga nag-grass cut lang sa neighbors, so if you can hear it, please excuse the noise. One more look sa ating dining, kitchen, and living area. So to my right, this is a hallway going to the rooms naman. Okay? From this point right here, ang ganda ng view dito kasi ito yung center ng pool natin. Take a look. Imagine mo may mga seating area ka dito. You have this very nice yucca plant right here. Diba? Lounging here, relaxing in the afternoon or even in the morning dip. Maganda yan sa health, no? This door right here is the first bedroom. Guys, lalakarin ko siya para makita niyo yung amount of space na meron siya. Napakalawak. You have 2 windows on each side. The bed will go right here. More space to move around. You can even put a desk if you want. And this is your walk-in closet and toilet and bath. Okay? This is your vanity. Your closet space. Ang ganda nung handles niya because recessed siya. So, flat lang siya. Then this is your toilet and bath with your enclosed shower, with rainfall shower head, of course, toilet, and your sink. Lighted din ang mirrors natin. Okay. Let's go to the next room. Back to the hallway. Pool view. The bedroom right here is your bedroom number 2. Similar to the first one. Tons of space. Bed will go right here. A lot of space to move around. High ceiling. And once again, your walk-in closet and your toilet and bath with vanity. Vanity is right there. Closet space and toilet and bath. Ganda. As we go out right here, may door dito sa right ko that can be additional storage for you. So storage siya. Pwede pa lagyan to ng mga shelvings, no? Pwede rin maging linen closet. Up to you. Okay? Now this door is your master bedroom. Sobrang spacious. Pwede kang magtakbo-takbuhan dito. Okay, guys, imagine. Your bed will go this way. Kahit California king, kasya siya. In the front, you have a pool view. Blinds are also included. For privacy. Tons of space. Pwede ka pa may console dito if you want to have a big TV right here. Pwede yan. Air conditioning, once again, is Daikin. Good brand. And your walk-in closet. Imagine, dito ka nagpe-prepare for your day. Doing your makeup, di ba? Grooming here. Closet space, ang dami, hanggang taas. And your master bathroom. So, ang ganda ng master kasi dual sink, his and her. Sink siya. Lighted din. You have your toilet, your enclosed shower na very spacious. Shampoo niche, and you have this soaking tub right here. Now let's do the recap.
This property is priced at 46 million pesos. It has a lot area of 546 square meters, 345 square meters of floor area. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, high ceiling, living, dining, and kitchen, staff room, garden, swimming pool, and carport for 2 SUVs. If you're interested, contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.